Hi there and welcome to another episode of Ask VSA. My name is Peter Vox and I'm the director of Vox Singing Academy since 1993. If we could help you or someone that you know with their singing, we'd be absolutely honoured. Check out the links below for more info. We have numerous studios here in Melbourne with male and female teachers. We also give online singing lessons as well too, 7 days a week. And if face-to-face lessons aren't your thing, check out the Ultimate Online Singing Course. You like this channel, give it a click, thumbs up, like, subscribe, click the bell button so you get reminders. If you have a question, put it in the comments below. If it's a really good question, I may make a video for you. Please just drop by to say hello. If you think I've missed something in this video, put it in the comments below. Would love to hear from anyone that has anything different to add to what I'm about to say. Today's question: what is the best age to start singing lessons? So I'm going to go straight into that question here right now. Right now is the best age. You can take singing lessons and develop your voice at pretty much nearly any age. Really, once you get to probably over 80 or mid 80s, it is a little bit harder. Your range will decrease and get a little smaller because your whole body will lose elasticity, so your vocal cords won't work as well. As you probably know, if you speak to someone that is very old, they sound old, so their voice is a little bit different, hasn't got as much elasticity to the voice, so it will just basically be shorter and you won't be able to sing for as long when you're that age. But you can train your voice and sing from pretty much any age. Now, the optimal age, if parents are watching this and they're wanting to know how old my child should be until I give them singing lessons, children start to sing at a very early age. Pretty much as soon as they start to verbalize, they start to sing along with things and things that are shows that are on TV or whatever it might be. If your child is showing an inclination to singing and they're talented and they really enjoy singing, really singing lessons from probably 4 or 5 years upwards can be done. They're private singing lessons. Sometimes putting them into a creche or a preschool singing group before they're 4 or 5 is a good thing so that they can just sing along with other kids. But to have private one-on-one lessons, I would be saying, if they're showing some inclination to really like singing, probably 6 years upwards is the ultimate time. But, you know, again, the younger the better. If they can do it when they're 10 or 12 or 14, that's fantastic. But as I said, there is no real limit to learn how to start to sing. Anyone can learn to sing as long as you've got a good teacher. You should be able to see and hear results, whether you're a parent or whether you're actually taking the lessons, if you've got a good teacher within about 3 weeks. If they're training you correctly, giving you a proper practice regimen to do with scales and to do with songs and to do with breathing, you should start to feel results and strength within about 3 weeks. As I've already reiterated, the earlier that you can start lessons, the better. The better that you'll be, the better that your ear will develop. So the younger that you can do it, the better. So primary school or grade school is absolutely fantastic. But as I said, there is no time limit. The good thing about the voice is that you don't have to buy equipment. You can just practice at home with what you've got. It's easily transportable. You can take your voice to a video if you're doing online classes or to your lesson. So it's very easy to practice. You can practice anywhere as well too, inside, outside, wherever you find a free time or space, you can always practice. You don't need a setup. So it's a really convenient instrument to practice. You can practice it anywhere. But again, the voice can be trained. It is a muscle and it doesn't matter what age you are. You just have to make sure that you're getting great singing lessons, because particularly if you're very young or very old, you really want to take care of those voices. The developing younger voice because it's still growing, and the older voice because it is a little bit weaker and doesn't have as much stamina. You've got to make sure that you are correctly warming up, particularly all voices. We warm up all voices at Vox Singing Academy, but particularly the very young students and the older students, so that we're taking care of those particular voices. I hope that this has helped you out and has answered your question. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below. If you like this channel, give it a like, thumbs up, click like and subscribe. If you have a question, put it in the comments below. If you think I've missed something, put it in the comments below. Just drop by and say hello if you think that I've missed something. Once again, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you or someone that you know wants singing lessons, please check out Vox Singing Academy in the links and the description below. We've been giving professional singing lessons since 1993. We give in-studio singing lessons here in Melbourne or online singing lessons worldwide 7 days a week. If face-to-face lessons aren't your thing, check out the Ultimate Online Singing Course. But until next time, be good to each other. Peace and much love. Live each day as if it's your last. Bye-bye.